do a cooking show or a travel vlog show. Today, we're gonna do a fun thing. So, in this video, and that challenge is Colorful Snacks Challenge with Daddy. So here comes Daddy.
Hello guys, I'm the daddy. So, what are you gonna do now?
We're gonna play a Colorful Snacks Challenge.
Okay.
And that challenge is gonna be fun and crazy.
So?
We have to pick a card.
So how are we gonna go ahead? We have to pick a card.
Yes, color card. Then we're gonna, what color we have in our cards, we have to pick. And then we're gonna go to the lavender shop and then buy those colors.
Okay, then let's go and choose our colors, okay?
Yes!
Here's the challenge begins.
Okay guys, here's your card.
Okay,
Choose.
I pick the middle ones, okay. Alright, Daddy, go first! What did you get? What? Let me see!
B R.
Brown!
Yes, brown. Brown.
Now I get green
Now
or
your
red.
turn. Yes.
Green
Your
or
turn.
red. Green! Yes! It's my dream! Oh, yeah. I
Okay.
got green. It's so small. I can't even read it. This one is kind of like green, but this packaging is green, but the soup is not green. It's clear. Green tea. Oh, what's Oh, cool. What's that? Really? 470 tickets. This is heavy. Oh my gosh. I wonder what these are. So here we have our foods. Mine is green. We also have some Lace chips. I know this is not green, but it's kind of. Have grapes and apple. Only 3 pieces. And then we have some, what is it called?
Spinach.
Spinach. Okay. Yeah, it's green also. And we have some pear juice and dango.
It's guava juice. Green guava.
It's also pear.
No.
Oh yes, sorry. Okay, now Daddy go. Daddy go.
What I have here, some healthy foods and some unhealthy foods. We have here chocolate milk, brownie,
and
yogurt
with
dates,
a chocolate syrup.
and almond.
And that's silly. It's with chocolate syrup. What?
It's a new thing.
Yeah. So, yeah, when we're gonna start. So, there's no restroom break, so it's gonna be hard for me because I'm a small kid. I have to watch. But Daddy, he is powerful, so he can do this. He can make this. So our timer starts 3, 2, 0. Go, Daddy! Go myself.
Okay, I'll
I'll
start
eat the
with
grapes.
the chocolate milk.
The grapes are so yummy and so sweet.
Don't talk much, you will lose.
Oh. This is so hard.
Today's challenge is so difficult for Liana.
He looks like a snail. But it's not fun.
So, how is the feelings, Daddy? First time challenge? Eating challenge?
Eating is always feels good. Eating always feels good.
And for me,
And this is bad but tasty.
bad.
Bad for health, good for mouth.
I know you like chocolate very much.
Yeah, Daddy and me likes chocolate. But Mommy doesn't. She only likes vanilla. I also like vanilla, but not too much.
So who is going to win today?
I think Daddy will.
I think you.
I want to win.
But there's no prize.
Yes, there is prize. Mommy will give us the prize.
Yes!
Ask her.
It's a secret.
500.
1,000.
No,
Yes.
that's not possible.
Mommy will give you, if you win, Mommy will give you 1,000 taka. If I win, she will give me 1,000 taka. So if you want to win, speed up.
I'm eating spinach. It's also yummy, but I think the grapes were so hard to eat. This is also spicy. I also ate one by apple. This is yummy. I also eat it with rice. No, this spinach is so healthy. And I think I'll able to finish this faster than the grapes because it's already you know, already empty already. So the spinach was not really full. And how about Daddy? But he's eating the cake with this spoon.
He's eating like snail.
Yeah, he's a little bit slow.
I can't pick it up.
Then you're gonna quit faster.
How is the taste? Yogurt chocolate?
Bad.
What?
This is your combination.
Yeah, you say
You choose
this.
this.
You say this. In fact, Daddy is not right. This is yucky. Sweet. I think this is a hard thing to eat. Finish it.
Hard thing to drink.
Liana is almost finished. Daddy, what about you?
I'm tired of eating. I'm eating and eating.
Oh my god, I have finished the juice. I was pretty fast. Chips time. And this
Quick,
is my
Liana
favorite.
first. Daddy, you are losing. Eat first.
So sad. They were too much for me.
Yeah.
I can't eat them all.
But I
This
thought,
is
But I
also
still
for
I did,
Liana.
and I've lost.
but I thought Daddy can finish it faster than me because I'm a slow eater like a snail.
Yes, you are right.
But Daddy should win this channel. Challenge. It's confusing.
So who's going to get the 1,000 taka?
It's Liana.
So bad. I've spent all this money to get the reimbursement. But now I get nothing.
Yeah, you should eat that fast.
It's unfair.
I can't believe that I won because I'm slow eater like a snail. I'm not like Daddy. Daddy's supposed to win this challenge. So we really hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. And here is Daddy to give me money.
Wait. We have played the game. I have lost. You won. So mommy gave me this 1,000 taka to give you as the prize. Here is your prize money. So thank you for winning the game. As you said, you eat like a snail. Now you eat like a rabbit.
Yes,
So that's a good improvement.
this challenge will be continued.
Yes. We'll be back again.
We really hope you like this video, and if you want to watch more videos like this, so tell us in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!